Hey there, Justplanepyro here. And as all of you Pyros are getting ready for the 4th of July, which is not even a few days away as of this recording, I'm sure you're all getting high on the aspects of Pyro and enjoying a great time on the 4th of July holiday weekend. And in this case, for Fireworks Demo Showcase, I'm sure you have some other kind of Pyro High going on. Yes, we all have a case of the Pyro Munchies. These are canister shells from Pyro High fireworks. I just like the labeling on this box. It's funny. Satisfy your pyro hunger. Munchies. You get 6 shells inside. You got 1 fiberglass mortar, 6 great effects. Sorry that the camera's wobbling back up and down. I don't really have a tripod holding it. So here's the back of the side of the box showing the effects. I know the lighting sucks. Just bear with me. There's some safety steps on how to shoot them, in case you don't know already, or if you're a complete idiot. Yep, there's the silver foiled shells in all their glory. I just like the label on this box, the artwork. Especially for those of you who are in weed legal states. It is kind of entertaining to see. But what effects will you see? You got a ground report, an aerial report. What's the ground report? Oh, the shell getting out of the tube from the lift charge? Okay. Got strobe, willow, color peony, and crackle. So I'm going to open up this box and show you each effect here. All right, fellow Pyro Stoners. Let's get Pyro High with these 6 shells that come in this kit. As you can see, they have a really nice label to them. They have a nice holographic label on there with a very amusing weed leaf on the front with the effect on there. That's kind of interesting to see. It's got a black top, which is kind of typical of what canister shells nowadays. And be word of warning, these are 1.5 inch canister shells, so you must use the mortar that comes with the kit. Because if you use a 1.75 mortar or anything larger than that, you're going to have a very bad time, as you're going to have low breaks galore. But anyway, let's take a look at the mortar. It is pretty entertaining to see this label. I might keep it just for the fun of it. But here it is. Satisfy your pyro hunger. Munchies. Got lips smoking a joint. And got lots of weed leaves all over it. Pyro High. I got these at American Wholesale Fireworks for about 35 bucks for a 6 set. And you get 6 different effects in these shells. Let's take a look at them. Ready? The first one is going to be Chrysanthemum. Number 2, Red Silver Palm. 2. Number 3, red, blue with white strobe. 3. Number 4, we got purple, green, blue peony. 5, we got brocade green strobe. 5. And finally, for number 6, we got red, green, blue with crackle. Well, hope that got you Pyro High with these 6 shells, and we'll get you even more Pyro stoned in the next video. Take it easy.